Hello and welcome again. This is a drink called How to Make Iced Orange Juice Pineapple Soda. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this mug. Then after that, you fill in the pineapple sparkling water into this mug. And then, last but not least, you pour in the orange juice. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced orange juice pineapple soda. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching. Enjoy a drink, by the way. It's served and ready to taste and ready to drink, by the way. Thank you again, and thanks for watching. Thank you.